It's not that bad. Hmm. Okay. So, what is bug 10? I don't actually remember. Let's go find out. Uh, Booster's too strong. Oh, I did not associate that. I was like, oh, I could work on that too, as well as bug 10. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Huh. Hmm. Honestly, not very interesting. But it is a bug. I wish I didn't do this. This is annoying. Hmm. Okay, there's another thing. What are these guys? Okay, unused and stuff. Okay. Um. I think there's a function here. Yeah, this one. What was I thinking? I was thinking I could like. Hmm. So I construct this and fill it with reflected normals. Um. Hmm. What? I had an interesting idea just now. What if I can subtract n? I don't know if that would work. So I'm doing. Oh, what? Oh no. Okay, it's like that. Okay. It would. This is probably pretty busy function. Vert edges. This would probably be a good speed optimization. If I could make it faster. Not going to lie. Oof. Oh yeah, this is nasty actually. One, two, three, four. That's quite nasty. And it has to construct a vec for every single one. Okay, so if I split this into two. Hmm. Hmm. So the problem is it needs to be unique pairs across two lists. And one of them is dynamic. Whew. I guess that's doable. Mm. Oh, actually, I have a optimization. I do. This guy can go outside. V0FN. And then that can be out there. And then yeah. Uh, hmm. Hmm. Okay. Oop. Uh, so how do you drop multiple? Pop. Drain. Ah. Yeah. So I just need to get rid of it. So drain might work. What? Oh my goodness. I bet it says item dropped while borrowed, doesn't it? If I try to do this. No, it doesn't. Okay. Oogie. So this will help with copying and stuff. So we want to drop after this. And that makes an iterator. Oh. It does say that after all. So I remember impl asref so where's the trait? So I have impl asref. What if I change this to impl into reference? Yeah. So then this would be into. Oh, excuse me. So anything that can be converted into a slice. Asref helper. I don't know if I don't know. This is a little bit jank, right? Asref helper. So let's try into reference. Yeah. Doesn't, yeah, no, it's something owned. It's essentially the same thing. I don't think I need to be doing this. All right, let's go back here. Okay, so like, okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. Oh. So drain needs, you need to like make it go. That's extra code. I wonder what this compiles to. It's probably good enough. Oh. Wait, N. Oh. Iter map collect. Okay, that's a vec. That's a vec. This should work. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice change. Okay. So this uses a scratch vector instead of making a new one every time. So it's like. So let's see if it works. How much VRAM am I gonna be using here? Nope, not much. Okay. Strafe, strafe, strafe. Should be marginally faster. I do want to see the assembly if I can. Last time I tried to use this, it was like not working. Okay, so let's try function drop train. Nice spelling. After n u size. I guess we'll say I index. Okay, please. And then yeah. So any vector vec boom t boom capital T, and we go vec train index dot dot and for I put a space, god damn it, for anything in boom boom, that's it, semicolon, and then we do, how do you make it not make it go away again? Oh, it's a generic. Crap. Okay. Yeah. I imagine it as a vector of 6. So, okay. Drain after index vec 3. Hey, what? Go away. Oh my. Okay, how about go away? That looks that's a lot of assembly. Don't tell me it pre-compiled it for like length 6 or something. Keyword pointer, like what is all that? From slice from raw parts. I've seen that before. Precondition check. Yeesh. That doesn't look the greatest. Alloc. Yeah, okay, that's a global allocator. Okay, bud. So here's the old drain. Drop, guard, drop. So... Cold path. Pointer read volatile. What in the tarnation? Drop in place drain. Damn, that's a whole lot of code. There's gotta be a better way. Here. Let's do the thingy. This guy. Yeah. Is there a better way to write this code? Oh, stop. Error interacting with the language model, unable to parse chat response. It panicked. God damn it. Golang. If only they wrote it in Rust. Good God. Okay, out of memory. It would have happened in Rust as well. Okay. Can we try again? We got another GPU, you know. Try again. Llama runner terminator. Doesn't want to do that. Well, that's annoying. Net. I guess so. All right, let's try this. Run. Yeah. And then paste it there. Girl. For each. Yeah, here's a vastly improved version. It's literally just the same. Oh my. Holy. The loop was iterating and calling repeatedly. It actually was not. Oh, check it out. I could write it. Write it like this. For each drop. It would look funny. For each drop. Huh. Love this function. Brilliant. Hell yeah. Alright, is this anything fancy? Function call move what? Fold. It does fold call. Okay, so it's a while loop instead of a for loop. That could be marginally better. I don't, depending on how it like figures things out. All right, so did he build? He must have builded. Okay. Oh, interesting. It went onto the other GPU. Alright. So this could just totally break. There's no guarantees that it implements the algorithm correctly. No, looks like it works. Let's go try it out. Can you imagine if it's like just 10 times faster? Ugh. So I want to get to the laggy part and then see if it's still laggy. I assume it's like almost the same. It's just like marginally optimized. Alright, so we watched the frame rate. Yeah, it's still laggy. Yeah, see those lag spikes? Big ol' lag spikes. Whoa. Damn. Ah. Another thing I can work on is BVH. Trey is also working on BVH, so that would be beneficial to both of us if either of us work on BVH, because we can share our thinking and algorithms. Oh, damn. Look at that. Those are like massive laggy spikes. Maximum, what is that, 16 milliseconds? So it drops to 60 FPS. Oh. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Ugh. Damn. So it lags so hard because every time you move the mouse 1 pixel, it does a physics tick. What the hell? Is this a misimplementation? Or is it just like that? Damn. Like a son of a... Oh my god. I feel like it's just like that, and my implementation is probably fine. Oh, you know what I can do actually is I can test. Cargo test. Release. Oh. Oh, I see. I have to do like this. Cargo test. Release. Ooh. Clear clone. Clone from. Does this extend? Overwrites the contents of self. It would work as well. Pass. Okay, so we pass all the physics tests. VV nice. I need more complicated physics tests that I fail, cause like there are failure cases. Marginally faster. Hmm. Ugh. This is funny. I love Rust. Clear clone. Should work. Physics. Use scratch vector. In vert edges. Minkowski mesh query. It's like kind of obvious. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, so instead of allocating a new vec on every iteration of both loops, I allocate once at the very beginning and then shrink and grow the same data structure. Should be faster. I wonder if clone from is faster than drain. Like drain, drop, or clone from. Oh, let's look at more stuff. So can you do like pop? Pop if. Right. It removes it. Yeah, that's right. Very good. None if the vector is empty. Oh, that's kind of fancy. This is like slightly optimized, I guess. Thank you for writing this comment. Yeah. So basically, if I is above the starting partition point, oh wait. Gosh. Maybe it's not that bad. Do not know. Oh, 2 Vec. No, you don't actually need that. It could just be a slice. Oh, this is not done there. Just making sure it's like commented. Okay, so that's a minor speed up. Didn't really make a huge difference. Just avoids excessive allocation. Oh, man, it's gonna be a big pain to make this whole thing better because it's so complicated. Okay, bug 10 is the booster. Hmm. Hmm. How do I figure out bug 10? Stream title. How do I do it? How is it done? I am streaming, right? Yes. Hey. How about I print the calculated acceleration or something? Base, what is it? Acceleration. It's like base acceleration or something up here. Contacts? Ground things. Base acceleration. I was exactly correct. Okay. So, you got rocket propulsion. You got, accelerators. All right. Okay, so it's a boost zone most of the time, so we're gonna print booster. Should print something. Hmm. 20 seconds is pretty crazy. Okay, so we should see no printing until we find a booster. Where is... I guess it's like here. Okay, so where is it? It's the big one. The big boost. It's like here, right? This is a trigger? What? Okay. Be nice to have like console commands. I could like teleport to a specific stage. Alright, it's right here. So this should be not a huge number. Huh. So that's gravity, and there's the boost. So it kind of looks like it's collecting boosters. Let's see. Okay, so we can do let boost count. Um. Uh, I guess we'll see first. So if there's multiple boosters overlapping, is it just like not exiting? I don't actually know where the boosters are. Can I like reach? Oh. Okay, no. Yeah. Just trying to get there. I wonder if you can beat the map faster than you can fly through it. Okay. Probably not, I would imagine. Okay, so we are here. So we should see how many boosters I am touching. Boosts. Oh. Well, I failed that one. Well, waste of time. 20 seconds. Try again. I wonder if to just start another massive new feature like a UI system or something. It's kind of a big mistake to make a UI system, but like the point is that it's a cool, fun project, so. Well, here we go again. Find the booster. One boost. Oh my goodness. $504. Three boost. Oh. Well, that's interesting. That's buggy. Okay, this seems like a leaky acceleration. Like the acceleration has to be a little bit stateful, but it can be recalculated every tech. It has to be written down in the state. But it should not be sticky in the state. Yeah, so set acceleration. I wonder if I need like a physics state builder or something. And like pull apart the existing physics state and assemble a new one or something. Air, set acceleration. So when does this happen? So that's the only time. Apply enum. Huh. Air. So anywhere I call either of those functions. This is a pretty bad setup. Okay, so what about begin touch physics? So you want, collision? So yeah, okay. Advanced time. Okay, it's literally just leaking it? It's literally just leaking it. So if we do this, it does like... what function is this? Collision start contact. So at the bottom of this function, it's like bam, and it does it. So I'm literally just not applying updates. It says collision start, run teleport behavior. Ugh. Collision start intersect. So where does this booster boost? so are these okay? So this, where does this end? It just ends. Okay. So yeah, that's it. That's it. It just ends. So if one of these functions is missing an update to the acceleration, oops, it just breaks. Oh look, yeah. So the end contact, we're like checking all that stuff. But end intersect, not check. Because what is this? Okay, apply enum, apply to body. So this one is setting acceleration. Apply to body. Does nothing if you're in the air. So if you okay, I think I want this one in more functions. So not that one. Collision start. So it does this entire thing. Collision start intersect. It don't be doing that. Run teleport behavior. Okay, so I don't know. Let's just do this. Okay, and then collision end. It's already doing that according to the state. And then end intersect. Oh boy. Oh boy. Move state body. All that. God. Okay, so up to mode it should look identical. We find this function right here. Ugh, okay. Move state. Yeah, see? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Error? Two arguments are missing. Oh, okay, it's the same deal here. So like that. Okay, buddy boy. So we were literally just missing state updates. All right, did I break everything? Probably. What do you think? I'm guessing I'm gonna like fall through the ground randomly. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, well here we go. Huh. Huh. Oop. Cool. Okay, well it didn't break. So far, I guess. I'm just gonna play through because this is an invasive change. This probably changes the determinism as well. But I'm not really worried about that at this point because like the physics doesn't actually work like good enough to worry about it. So like if it breaks all the bots, oh no, my 12 bots. That will become way more important if this ever takes off. If I get it to a point where I can have like leaderboards and physiques. I wonder if I can walk on the ground. I'd probably still fall through. Wait, for real? Oh yeah, okay, there we go. That lasted a long time. Right, it's usually because of the mouse. I forgot. So if I'm walking on the ground and moving the mouse, you just kind of go through the ground. On a sloped surface. It's related to not being able to surf. Like you can surf if you don't move the mouse. It's tragic. That was like pretty long time to not fall through the ground for this physics. So this actually is possibly a nice improvement. God, it feels so nice to play. It's like super nice. That was an invisible wall. Ooh. It's working. No major behavioral changes so far. That's kind of the goal is to like add to fix something without breaking everything else, right? And that's like really hard to do in the Lua game, in the Roblox game, because there's like no way to test it. I can't, because you can't rerun the bots because they'll all fail because it's non-deterministic in the first place. So like I can't, there's no way to know before people start finding exploits if I introduced exploits by accident. There's just no way to know. Come on. Oh my god. What the hell? Come on, let me do the water stage. Thank you. Oh, Oh, the scripts. Hey, that's right. I fixed the scripts. So now the water is invisible. Let's go. Oh, that was a little boosty guy. Wait, didn't it? Oh no, it's a water. Okay, not so sure. Well, would you look at that? All the water is invisible now. Brilliant. Brilliant. I should totally have like a juiced water shader. That's like, looks really cool. I could totally do that. Right, I would need like a terrain thingy. That would be on the Roblox loader only though. It'd be like generating polygons and shader, whatnot. Yes. This looks very different with no water terrain thing. Oh. Nope. Wait, what if, do you still fall down? Yeah, you do still fall down. Okay. Just curious if, how much behavior's changed. Right, the ice stage could have changed as well. Might have introduced a bug where you like don't jump or do jump or something on the no jump surf icy bits. Okay, well reached. I jumped on the unions with the new default union physics, so let's go. Game got better this week, even though I hardly worked on it. Hardly working or working hardly? Neither. Oh, baby. Okay, this is the stage. So, did I fix the booster bug? That would be pretty cool if I did. Oh, this is not quite there yet. I wonder if I also fixed some game issues. Oh, that ain't supposed to happen. Falling through the ground is like the #1 issue with this, and there's like 7 different ways that it can happen. So it's gonna be a slog to fix it, but that's my goal for this year. I've been procrastinating the past couple weeks. Gotta get back to it. Oh, come on. Map is oiled up. The map is script runned. Alright, so here is where the bug happened before, and it forgot to stop giving you a boost when you left the booster. So now, hopefully it doesn't do that. Okay, that is still insanely fast. Yeah, that doesn't seem right. Damn. $500. That's an insane amount of boost. Does it ever say 3 boost? Wait, I wasn't looking. That looked like kind of normal. Okay, that's outrageous. Okay, can I fly? No. So if I go here... Oh! Maybe I can. Okay, that was a bug before. Cool, okay. So that is fixed. So now you can fly through boosters. That was fast for unions. It was an easy bug. That's why I went to do it. It's because I had already identified the issue. I just hadn't fixed it. I was like being lazy. If you saw the comment messages, it was like question mark, question mark, question mark. Think about it. So I was just kind of like jeering at my future self. Haha, you're gonna have to fix the bug. All right, if I press this, oh wow. Okay, it seems better, but still sometimes not better. Come on. Oh, do I just have no boost right now? Come on, let me in. Fail. What? Okay, so it's different, but not, whoa! But not fixed. Ugh, do they have... What else? Well, I'll leave it open. It seems... Oh, yeah, I don't need this. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Physics. Recalculate acceleration. In collision and intersect. And start as well. Start and intersect. Get the zone. You got the zone. So like, it would be nice if it was less manual. Because like removing something from the list of touching, there's a bunch of stuff that needs to happen. Good. Cool. Okay. So what's the other one? Input. Apply input. Okay, so that's like walking and going on a ladder. So if you stop or start touch, I guess I sneeze. If you stop or start touching, let's say an accelerator, that can affect how you walk on the ground and affect your walk target and stuff. And that's why it needs to be a tighter integration and not this like apply to body. Believe it or not, this is like cleaned up. The move state, apply enum, apply to body, apply input. And then like these goober functions, it's a bad way to do it. It's bad, but it's better than what it was there before. I should rethink it again and try to come up with something better. Equals move state. Moves? What? So weird. Is one of them a booster? Like just a straight up booster? It sure feels like it. Oh my god. It is too fast, if you ask me. Okay, well, I'm not getting the other leaky bits. Jesus Christ, that's impossible. It's even harder to do now. Because, like, the blue area is, like, not that big of a boost. So you fall down. But then the red area is just amazingly massive boost like that. Like, bro, yeah, that is tough. That's so outrageous. Yeah, I can't hit that. I mean, I could, but it's stupid hard for no reason. And wrong. It's also just wrong. Jeez. Oh, nice. Yeah, no, good job. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so that was a leaky booster again. Okay, so it's not quite fixed. So I'm not seeing anything that says 3 boosts. Which is good. Whoa. What? Someone is bugged. My gravity is wrong. Oh, and we're back. Oh, okay. We're just falling through the ground. So it's better and worse. Okay, so that's just a straight up leaky state there. That's what I was talking about, where like it needs to oh jeez, replace the acceleration, like recalculate it every tick. So it does have to get stored in this state, but it should never be read from the previous state. It should always be recalculated. Let's see if I can brainstorm that. So that's like, that's a full re-architecturing, but I think that's a good idea. I think there's two types here, and I only have one. So the types would be like physics state analytic continuation, where you have all the information you need to extrapolate the current physics state. So if you're like, if you're running and you jump, that's one physics state as you fly through the air until you start like turning and stuff. It's just extrapolating the past state in your ballistic arc. So you need to know the acceleration for that. And then there is the persistent state. So only the velocity should be persistent. Position and velocity. Position, of course. Velocity, right? So you have momentum. And so you need to know what your momentum was on the last physics tick in order to update it and like gain speed, right? But you don't need to know what your acceleration was on the last physics tick. It's instantaneous and can be calculated on the fly at any time. So those are the two types of information that I need to distinguish. And I think that would that's pretty cool. End up like re-architecting the way the physics works, hopefully for the better. So like the input I would have like a thing that shrinks the analytic state into the persistent state, and then I would be forced to recalculate all of the analytic elements for the next analytic state, because I only have the persistent elements. So I need to fill in all the details of the analytic elements. And so there would be no possibility that one of the analytic elements acts in a persistent way because they're thrown out. Okay, so this is my booster counting. I don't think that's the problem. I think it's like an architectural issue like I was describing. I'm going to throw this away. Okay, so this is like a little bit better. but also worse. Haha. So let's see. We're gonna call this persistent state. So I'm gonna write it down. So right now I just have physics state. There's just physics state. But, boom, I need to distinguish. So this is analytic. Right now it's both. It's analytic state and persistent state. So pretty much is just acceleration. How big is this guy? Nobody knows. Right, I was also thinking that I should remove fly from the move state. I don't think it makes sense. So is it literally just acceleration? Wait a second. I like this part of the song coming up. Maybe in a bit. Dancing with my baby. Come on. Play it. Do it. He's not doing it. I don't actually know which part of the song. Where it is. Why don't they just make the whole song like that? It's the best part. So I think that the only thing in this entire state. Oh, controls? No. I don't know. I don't think all the desktop audio is being sent to the YouTube stream. You are correct, and I am doing that very much on purpose. Check it out. So here's my audio setup. These are my headphones. And here's OBS. So this is my microphone. This is something else. Music goes to this. So this is a separately recorded track. This is my desktop audio. You can see it's not going to OBS. So the music is not playing in OBS. That's a lie. The desktop audio is not playing in OBS. The music is playing in OBS, and the music is also playing in OBS. So here's the music into my headphones. I keep speaking wrongly. So my headphones have desktop audio, of course, music, game audio, and call audio. So this is like VoIP. So if I get on a voice call, it's also on a separate channel. And then on OBS here, I think I go like this. There it is, yeah. So on OBS, I have all of these separate audio tracks, right? So desktop audio, that's, I believe, the game audio. I should rename it. And then my microphone, and then there's music, and I think that's the VoIP. It'd be nice to name them. And then over here on these, say which audio tracks appear, or which devices appear on which audio tracks. So I have 6 audio tracks. The desktop audio shows up on 1, 2, and 4. My microphone shows up on 1, 2, and 3. The voice shows up on all. That doesn't look correct. This must have been reset. Music shows up on only 2 and 6. So I'm sending all 6 audio tracks to my streaming server, and then my streaming server selects track 1 to send to YouTube and track 2 to send to Twitch. So if you see here, YouTube track 1 does not receive music because they attack you when you send music to them. So YouTube doesn't get music. The link is in the description for the Twitch live stream. It's lower latency as well. It's easier to have a conversation on Twitch. I'm streaming to YouTube mostly for the stream VOD. So yeah, I have a complicated audio setup that I worked very hard on. And you actually can't really do this on Windows, which is pretty cool. The audio is not nearly as modular. I think it's technically possible, but you have to use like virtual audio cable and like all sorts of weird software. Whereas this is just native audio, Pipewire. The normal audio system is just super modular. It's fun. Normally it's not that complicated. Normally it just doesn't have a bunch of like virtual audio devices like this. Like these things, this, and the microphone as well. Mic mix. Yeah, this one. These are all virtual audio devices. So they don't actually correspond to any device. Like this is my monitor. This is my headphones. Oh, this one as well. So they're like virtual audio nodes that I route application audio into, and then I send to specific actual devices. So it's like a middle layer between the input devices and the output devices that controls what goes where. So you can see my microphone doesn't go to my headphones, obviously. These are like pretty one-to-one. Oh, this one is actually the output of that. It's a weird audio device. It's like weird because OBS is weird about it. OBS doesn't just work properly. It has to have specific types of audio devices. So okay, whatever. And that's the same reason why those ones are there as well. So like this is like a long chain here. So it plays into the virtual music device, and then it comes out on this side. It just goes into here, vanishes, and then magically comes out of here. And then it goes into OBS. And this looks like a microphone to OBS. That's why I'm using that. It can't just go directly from this. Like I can wire it like this, but not automatically. Like OBS can't see that audio device and go, I want to record that. I'm sure they'll make it work eventually, but oh yeah. So yeah, I have a rather complicated audio setup. Worked very, very hard to make it work the way I want. This is actually video. The yellow ones are video. It's pretty cool. So this is like my screen capture. I wonder if it would break if I disconnect it and reconnect it. I should be able to. Let's see. Okay, so this is definitely going to make it stop. And then if I connect it back again. Oh, it actually works. It came back. So the wire disappeared and you could no longer see my desktop. Yeah, pretty cool. MIDI. What is that? What? Input one mic. This is new. I haven't seen these before. So this is my microphone. Oh, is it the same thing? So is it going like this? So it's like the device goes into a virtual microphone. Yeah, and then this one. Huh. And then it comes out. And then it goes into another virtual microphone. Wait. Am I double loud? What if I go like this? Hello? Huh. That's a new one. There it is. So, from the actual device into a virtual microphone. Actually, this might go back into the device. And then come back out again. And then out of the second virtual microphone and then into OBS. The fan or whatever noise. So I have my doors open and it's a SkyTrain. It's a train that goes through the sky. I might have to change my audio setup. I'm twice as quiet now. Wow, that's the maximum volume because it was piped into this twice. Wow. See, it's louder. So I need to make it take from this rather than take from that. I'll figure it out later. Good to know. That device has received a lot of updates over the past couple years. Scarlett, the company, Focusrite, I guess, is the company. They've been like, I guess, working with the driver developers to make it accurately model the device capabilities instead of just appearing as like a raw, here's your audio, go for it. It's like there's outputs here, it gets rerun into this, and then it goes to here. That's what it looks like, at least. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna write down my idea. Physics. Make sure acceleration is treated as analytic state. And does not persist. But there's nothing else that is like that. Okay, so if I go into Bobby, and I make these not pub, that would... No, that wouldn't do it, because the acceleration would just easily carry over. I need like type state. Well, that's one idea. I don't know how to do it. Bruh. tough. Bro. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This can change. That's tough. Uh, hash map. Damn. Yeah, I cooked with this. I got rid of the double match out of the main function. It was awesome. Took a long time to think of it. And now all of the IDs are strongly typed instead of being an enum. Well, there's also enums, but it knows what type of model it wants everywhere, which is very cool. Wait, is that another bump allocator play? I still need IDs? No? Yeah, okay, so I'm now thinking about IDs. So I'm using IDs for everything instead of references because I thought it would be the way to do it. But I mean, it works. Some. Oh, you know, it needs to be serialized. Right. Some of the stuff is like it has to be serialized, so you have to like always know it's stage 4 or something. But like the models, you know, those are. I mean, the I don't know. I don't know. It might be. It's kind of fine as it is. I don't really have any uh attempt to index a nil value. This is wacky. Damn. God, this is so amazing. This is super cooked. I think it doesn't matter. Shua. Abadua. Oh, I added this. Oh, damn. That's sick. Yeah. What else would leak acceleration? Not calling this function leaks acceleration. I need like type state. I'm gonna do a little experiment. What is that? Okay. Goodbye. Cool. Okay, so then, oh dear. Struct type state const state I guess, and then state is forbidden as the type of a constant generic parameter. Integers, bool, and char. Oh, did they fix that bug? Oh, sick. Nice. Go Z editor. Oh, static stirs. I want to try to use a ref. What the? That doesn't work. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. State machines with constant lyrics. Yeah. Wait, what? Enum variance as a constant generic parameter. The what? Oh. Okay. Okay. New. Accumulate. Freeze. Error. Let's go. Oof. Yeah, so I literally just want this. Damn. 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 Well. Unbounded look ahead. Loud parentheses. Couldn't you just do that though? Mm. Hmm. Oh, you can. Oh, goddamn. 5 year. Wow. Okay. Damn. Damn. Unlucky. So if you do like this, feature genetics. So the old nightly compiler feature has been removed. Oh goodness gravy. What? Cons paramtai. Oof. Huh. Well, I'll look forward to it in the all future rest. Mm. Mm. Type state has to move stuff, and I like can't. Mm. Mm. Type state is very tricky in this. I mean, I guess I could just move the whole thing, and that would be it. Hmm. Making a physics engine is so hard, man. Why can't I just be done this already 5 years ago? You know? Oh wait, I do have a working one. Not working good enough. Gotta make a better one. It's gotta be better. Oh no, magic number. Ah. Okay, let's see if I can find more leaks. State leaks. Boy. Ugh. How much of this is from the data? Models, mesh. Yeah, so I do want to like runtime change style. Camera input state. Gobbledygook. Okay, so if you change it, then it runs it. So I have to look at the end of these functions. Run, teleport behavior. Okay, collision start. It calls this directly at the end. Collision start intersect. I now call this directly at the end. I believe this updates it if it needs to. Yeah. Nope. Okay, think. Set move state. I'm not seeing a leak here. Ugh. Ugh. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, this is like really janky. What was I doing in here? Guess I'll just clear it. Okay, I don't know why it's still leaky. Okay, what if it's not a collision? Does that matter then? Strafe tick. Hmm. This is like one of the reasons why surfing doesn't work here. This is bit flags. Ugh. Well, I don't really see it. I can't believe how long I lived standing on the sloped surface. Settings, collaborators. Yes. Hmm. Uh. All right, so we're looking for shared sweep. Sweep is in tray sweep. Trey got some new code. He says it's like 5 times faster. Whoa. Duplicate cursor. Um. Cool. Um. Hmm. 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 Should be able to pull. Hmm. Man. Okay, how else could it happen? How else could there be a bug? Bugs cannot happen. Bugs in my code. We're back. these things. Sausage gobbler. I bought so much. So why would it be leaking? Why? Solved. Should I have different cheese? I don't know. Oh well, I have this one. Alrighty, I got it out. What could possibly fix this bug? How could I possibly identify this bug? I think I like halfway solved it. Like it's there's so many physics bugs that are like a combination of multiple issues. Oh my god. This is Gouda cheese. The cheese. Yeah. Lots of recognizable songs in this section of the playlist. Wax. I would rather not eat the wax. Hmm. Inspect the cheese. I remember, oh, I don't know who it was, but someone told me that I inspect my food very aggressively. Very true. Very true. I should probably remember who it was. That's upsetting. Ooh. Danger. Nobody can explain. All right. Hmm. Hmm. It or next? It or next? Is there no like pop thing? Oh, I guess. Huh. Damn. So many recognizable songs. Or songs that I recognize, I guess. I guess most songs are recognizable. Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Burn. Wait, this one's core. Hmm. Okay. I guess I should play a little bit. Um. Oh, I removed the boo. The boo. My game. Oh. How do I debug the boosters more? I'm pretty sure I fixed it halfway. Oh, miss. I suck at this part. I have never kept my speed up this. Oh, did I just jump on top of it? Damn. Okay, so there is a booster right here. Ugh. So oh, excuse me. It could just be, like leaking the end, so it doesn't say collision. Well, intersect end. I think the other cheese would have been better. It's more salty. This is like taking over the flavor with its saltiness. So how can I know? How do you know? Oh my god. Ah! I mean, it's possibly slower. Oh my god. Like, you don't get the giant boost if you... It used to be, like, if I started right here, it would be good. But now I have to start farther back, like right here, and then it's impossible. Yeah, it's just impossible. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That's unlucky. Ooh. Okay, so what could it possibly be? It could be leaking collision end. It could be ticking too fast, like adding too much speed. Ticking, it could be like adding the speed in multiple places. Probably not. Bruh. Okay, more. So boost. Abu. Okay, there's only 12. Boosh. Teleport to spawn. Collision start. Contact. Oh, do I literally not do any thing? Collision start, intersect, zone, call. Oh, booster. I do booster. Okay. Booster, boost body. Insert. Does it need to go like this? So like, you start touching the G, and then it goes like, oh, I'm the guy. And then, Jesus. Call after. So I don't know. This is outrageous. Boost. Amazing spelling. Okay, so I'm gonna see if it's also acting as an instant booster. Because it kind of feels like it. It feels like it's doing both. Oh, I need to see that. Sure would be nice to have a quick way to get there. Doof. Oh my god. I know this song as well. I wonder what the fly trials time looks like. Oh, I know what it looks like for this map. They just fly oob. Oh, it is a booster. Huh. Wait. 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 This might be a misinterpretation. I think it is a misinterpretation, actually. Hold on. I think I found the problem. So that was a problem where like was wrong. It was wrong. But I think what's going on is that it's supposed to be an accelerator zone, but it's also acting as a booster. And it's not supposed to. I am thinking. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I don't think this is an important change. Okay, let me think carefully about it. So this is like recalculating based on intersections. Yeah, no, it should just be after because this can possibly remove intersections as well. So I'll just leave it where it was. Okay, so boop, 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 boop. So we go to that guy, Roblox loader. Yeah. Replicated shared game mechanics. But accelerator. Wow. Part.name equals. So this is adding accelerator. I think that's how it does it. Oh, goodness. Is physics part Baba the boosters. Get standing collision. Get ladder collision. Oh my goodness. Who wrote this? Okay, so yeah. Instant booster. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, it's directly using the table. Okay, so yeah. That's it. That's the bug. Is it's turning the accelerator into a booster. And it's not supposed to. Awesome. Bug identified. Stream title success. This should be like possible to fix, but I'll probably want to other. Need some way to skip this. Okay, so probably it should go straight into other, right? Else. So what? Captures bonus wormhole. So bonus. Yeah, can you have triggers that are also boosts? Platform that also boosts? Teleport that also boosts? Yeah, I think you'd have platform. Trigger wormhole in jump bonus zones. Some way to skip this. All right, let's just make a stupid bool value. And then right here I can go collidable accelerators, no way. So deny booster equals true. Okay, so that was a big old bug'em. I guess I'll call it allow booster actually. True. False. Nice. Okay. XD. Custom physical properties. Oh. Huh. Is there an instance? No. Okay, well, that should be the other half of this bug. It should fix it. It's just a it's literally just a mega speed boost when it should not be. No. Yeah, so this one as well. Do you have a booster map start? Booster water. Water is like flow. It uses the velocity property. So basically anything that uses the velocity property should not be allowed to be a booster. Cool. Brilliant. Okay. I'm going to write that down, actually. Exactly. Loader. Anything that uses velocity property should not be a booster. Nice. Brilliant. Okay, persistent state. Yeah, no, that's not right. Yeah, so then I should regenerate all maps ever. Honestly, it should just work. It should just be good. So I'm gonna go do it actual. Yeah. Brilliant. Very nice. That's interesting that snuck through. So I should also go to the directory. Are you in? This guy? And then map tool, Roblox to sniff, output folder, all of them. We building. This should actually fix it. If it doesn't, I will be surprised. Damn, this thing takes forever to build. Oh. No. Okay, go ahead, buddy. Whee. Is that panic? Bad magic header. Do what? Oh. Okay, what is it? Oh, is it oh, it might be number 5. Okay. Attempt to index nil with global shadows. Bruh. Got a bunch of Lua errors. Cool. All right. Well, run it. Let's go. So it should be the same, but fixed. Here we go. Oh, damn. I think I did it. I think I've... Oh, my God. Fixed the stream title. Bug 10. Wow. Oh, damn. No. I lost a bunch of speed, man. Give me my speed back. Alright. I'm making my way. There's no easy way to get there, which would be helpful. Okay, moment of truth. Does this zoom me to infinity and beyond, or do I get a normal amount of boost now? Oh, that's good. Yes, it worked. So 2 bugs were working together to make that happen, and now 0 bugs are making that happen. Oh. Woo! Accelerators can no longer be boosters. That was the bug. Well, that was half the bug. Half the bug was leaky accelerators, or like leaky acceleration, where like it was accelerating you even after you exited the thing that was accelerating you. So it forgot to stop touching it. Well, no, that's not true. It did stop touching it. It just didn't clear the acceleration off of your state. Which, that's what I was talking about. Persistent versus analytic state is like, the acceleration should never be persistent. It should always be calculated fresh. So maybe it should be like not even part of the state at all, and it should be only calculated when you go out. That's only calculated when you go out. I'm gonna write that down. Idea, remove acceleration from body. Add to what is it, like physics camera state something going out. It's the going out state. Earl. Okay, physics state. That one, no. It's something like that. Who called this function? Is this guy? Camera body. Yeah, get frame state. Frame state instead. So it's only part of frame state. I think that might be juiced. Except that you gotta know it. You just gotta know it. I'll figure it out. Cool. That's a way better idea than I had before, I think. I think it's still not like good, but we work on those. All right. Time to see if I broke the ice. Broke the ice stage. So there's this one part where you're sliding on ice without jumping, and I think or I know that it's very delicate to changes like the change that I made. So I want to see if it still works the intended way, which how it's supposed to work is you're supposed to jump off of the edge when you reach the edge, and sometimes it gets flaky and it doesn't jump. But right now, or I guess before I made this change, it was working like very good and it would always jump reliably. And that was very pleasing. So I want to, well, it's like how it should be. Not just pleasing. Of course it's pleasing. So I want it to stay that way because that's how it should work. I should probably be a unit test, huh? Here it is. Here it is. Okay. Do I jump? Yes. Okay. I should always jump there. So that's a collision start thing. But I mean, it might also be collision end. No, it's only collision start. Yeah, the jump is triggered on collision start. Awesome. Oh, yo! That was fast. I don't think I've ever hit that platform before. Damn. Unlucky. That was a gamer route. Oh, come on. Oh, excellent. Okay, how long have I been streaming for? 3 hours. I could end it now. I did it. I fixed the bug. Stream title is completed. Bug 10. That is a bug knocked off of the major bug list that I want to burn down by the end of 2025. Oh, that was close. Is this just me or are those boosters faster than they were before? Maybe not. I might be making things up. Oh, 3 at a time, 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 3 at a time. Whew, okay. And we fall through the ground. That is another bug on the list. Is the surf bug. This is a booster, right? Yeah. Wow, I fixed a bug. I fixed a bug. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. Or I'm gonna report my amazingness. How amazing I am. Should I cross it out like this? No. Hello? Can I have the comment? There it is. So trace physics does fresh calculation with the contacts. I think actually I can do physics caching in the contacts. I can like cache the partial completion of the little algorithm guy. The loop. The loop. Where is this guy? That one. That's the loop. Oh, it's supposed to say loop. The loop. Like that. So loop transition. So if you can like kick this loop back into action, it can just continue and go as you travel through space and time. And it can just continue where it left from where it left off instead of needing to reinitialize the algorithm from scratch, which is actually the most expensive part. So that would be like caching, and it would have to. So I would have to do cache invalidation, and then like when you teleport, it can't reuse the calculations. Yada yada. So that's a whole can of worms. But that would make the physics like way faster, like 10 times faster. Ow. But I'm feeling good. And that's why I signed this bug myself, is because I knew it would probably be pretty easy. 20 lines of code to fix it. It was actually a combination of 2 bugs. What else? What other maps have accelerators? Very ices. This is probably related to this bug. It's probably algorithmic failure in the same way. Well, I mean, that would be convenient if it was in the same way, but it could just be a totally different failure. Good. Oh. Identical face hashes. Bug 9? Huh. I can totally do that on Monday. I'm going to write that down. Monday. Bug 9. B-bug. No. Just bug. Dude, I bet I can fix this. Yeah, I don't like the solution. How do you like show a diff? Can you even? Flush face transfer. Yeah. So it adds an entirely new instruction. Like it directly attacks the issue instead of like allowing it to implicitly not happen or something. Transfer to a flush surface of the same object. Remove insert. Is this in Master Branch? Did I do that? Directed edge. Evidently not. Why? Predict collision face out. Ugh. Returns a directed edge. Why is that a problem? That sounds like a good change. Less work. Well, phenomenal. I fixed 2 big bugs. What was the Thursday bug? Unions, that's right. That's right. No more union bad. This is just going to take repeated attack. I've actually fixed 2 bugs off of the master bug list. 2 out of 10. How long have I been working on it? I've been working on this like 1 or 2 months. Probably like 1 month. At that rate, I mean, it's a bug in a day. I fixed this bug in a day. I fixed that bug in a day too. And collision end. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. Cool. Okay, I'll go for bug 9. Based on this comment. See here. Awesome. Well, I want to play wizard game. It's Gemcraft. Frostborn Wrath. Not Wraith. I beat the game yesterday. It was really fun. I kind of cheesed it, but it still counts. It's a tower defense game. Brilliant. Super happy about that. That was a... Wait, okay, so how many more things do I need to do in order to actually beat the whole map, Arcane? Just water? So there's a bunch of bumpy bits, but those are probably actually bumpy bits. No, maybe it's like transforms. Right. So I'm thinking like, what if I merge vertices for some objects? So it'd be like submeshes with one transform. I'm gonna write that down. Try merging RBX loader. Try merging objects with intersecting vertices. by converting them to submeshes. Yeah. With the hope that it makes things less bumpy. Well, bhop arcane v2 less bumpy. Cool. So that's during conversion. Well, anything else? Oh, super nice to fix master bugless bug. Anybody sending me GitHub messages? Yes, they are. Brilliant. Glad I received a notification for that. Amazing. AI aimbot Python. All right. I can't be out to do any more work. I can't be asked. I could be asked actually. Bug checkmarked. Stars in your eyes. Herbie Hancock. This will be next Monday's starting song. Okay. So I was really not feeling it on last Friday. For like working on the physics. So I took another week of procrastination. And in the middle of the week, I was able to turn the focus towards the physics. And now I think I'm feeling it. So we'll see on Monday if I can keep hacking away at that list of bugs. Every single one I fix is amazing. It like is building the foundation of the entire project. Like nothing can exist when these bugs are there. Like you can't have a speedrun game when you can easily just clip through walls from day one. So like it's totally gonna happen where people are gonna find bugs where you can clip through walls, but like I'll just fix it when it happens and try not to break the game, and then potentially the game will like stabilize on good physics like the Roblox game, and we can have a speedrun game, and it doesn't depend on Roblox. Can you imagine? It's just an independent bhop and surf game with no baggage. No baggage. It doesn't depend on source engine. Yeah. Oh, it's a meat. Surprise meat in the cheese. Source engine, so it doesn't depend on source engine, and it doesn't depend on Roblox. It just depends on me. Me. I did it. Oh yeah. I might start something big soon, like a UI system or sound or something, or like website. Until then, gotta whittle away at physics bugs. Gotta keep coming back to it until it is done. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Only 3 hours, Thursday and Friday. Just kind of taking a break. Light break. Goodbye. I'll be back on Monday.